My name is Olga Smola and I am professor of violin and chamber music at the School of Music of University of Nebraska at Omaha. And today I'm going to speak with you about All-State Etude Set 4 for violin for NMEA All-State Help Session. First of all, I will play this excerpt for you, which is from Brahms' Second Symphony in fourth movement. So it's pretty difficult excerpt, especially the beginning. You need to be careful because you need to find the note D in fifth position. Is it fifth? Yes, in fifth position. So how I do that? I basically find D in third position with fourth finger and put my second finger in the same spot, and then I check, is it in tune? So when you do it several times in a row, you will be able to do it easier after. Another thing, that these little 8 notes should be played spiccato, but it does mean that you all the time your bow needs to jump. So sometimes when you make crease, when you cross the strings, you can stay more on the string. For example, here in bar 270, so you can be on the string, and when you crisscross the strings, try to keep your bow on the string, and then you can jump after that. So every time when you make crisscrossing of strings, it's very helpful if you can put your bow a little bit down, and it will give you some stability. The next not very easy thing, it's sforzandos in bars 275, 76, 77 and 78. So the way how we do this, you need to be sure that you do not spend big bow on that, not like this. Otherwise it's very complicated after that to play 8 notes. So you need to be sure that you finish somewhere here and do not release pressure so much. So you basically a little bit slow down the bow in order to catch the next 8 note. So see, so you start to jump, spiccato starts after the first 8 notes. So do not make this thing. This will make your life more complicated. Another thing, important thing, that we need to try to make some crescendo with these 4 sforzandos. More. It didn't work right now, but be sure that with the last one you take a little bit of time, just very little bit of time, and be sure that your left hand finger already there. And then do not forget to make crescendo here. Right? Then we have largamento theme in 281. Be sure that you use vibrato all the time, even for your fourth finger, and you use the full bow, and you need to try to make the melody line very thoroughly here. In bar 289, be sure that you play piano, because this is an accompaniment until we have the sign crescendo where the melody starts again. So it's very important to use the kind of tip of the bow. And now melody. Thank you for listening. I hope these tips will help you to prepare better.